We all know that sales is the most important department in our company. But as we know, they don't like administrative work. So we need to give them just when they wake up and open their mobiles, they should find that you have follow-up today. This is actually what we are doing in ERPPlus. All we need is just to remind the sales that they have today work or they have today task just by clicking on the reminder, and the CRM application is going to run, putting the calendar and the actions they have to do today. Actually, this is what we are managing in ERPPlus completely from the mobile application of the sales and with the back end we are going to show you right now. Initially, you need to log in just to the ERP, and using your own username and password, you will get the home screen. Inside the system, you will find CRM. We have many functions inside CRM, starting with the dashboard, defining the customers and the leads you have, and define a potential for each one. The potential means that I have just a list of the customers without being repeated. No repeated customers should be added to your CRM. Each customer should have list of contacts, and then the potential describes the potential we may have with the customer, so we may have more than one potential with the same customer. After that, we have to follow up the customer. Behind this, we can create offers or sales orders with the customer and follow up the sales orders as well. Behind that, we need to just add our settings ourselves and follow up the dashboard from the CRM. Let's start navigating on the screens from the web, then let's check it from the mobile how easy it is for the sales guys. Starting with accounts, if you have a customer, you have to have the whole information about the customer in one screen, and by editing it, you can add the customer directly from the CRM with the contacts and the location as well. So if you change the location of the customer, and you can change just the location by saving it, the customer new location is just added to your CRM. Meanwhile, you can upload whatever the customer list you have just by Excel sheet. Just fill it in, and all you need is just to apply this from here, and then the customer will be added directly to your CRM. So no worries about the data migration. You can do it yourself. Many options are already allowed on the CRM. You can do it directly from the back end. But let's check another function, which is the potential request. You can add a new potential request and link it directly to the customer with a name and who's the owner of that customer, account owner, and who will be the pre-sales of this new potential with the amount and many other functions inside the potential. Finally, you can check the potential information from here with the full information, and you can check it from the account itself with the account data you have just entered to the CRM. Meanwhile, many other information you can add, and you can just follow up with the customer potential from here by following up each account potential from here. You just select the potential project and the follow-up by the customer representative with the contact's name and the follow-up way, either it's email, mobile, visit, WhatsApp, and whatever it is. And the follow-up type, is it technical or implementation or whatever you have in your settings to put it for your sales guide. This is to just follow up the request status in your sales funnel with a percentage of completion of the deal, and then you can track whatever happens with a different follow-up for each potential for each customer as well. Then we can check here the sales orders we have just mentioned with the full details of the sales order. Now you can just click here to find that you have a sales order with the customer with that full information And you can do the following. You can print the sales order directly from the CRM, or you can have new print with your own sales order template, the delivery, the attachments for the sales order, print invoice. If you have created an invoice for the sales order directly you can print it from here. And then you can have a collection just for the sales order. This is not everything. We can check here the status of each sales order here. Invoice created for the supplier invoice, new sales order, and so on. So the full management of the sales orders can be easily implemented from here, and you can add new order from here just from your own price list. You have your goods here and just add it and add the information of the customer, and that's it. The sales order is easily added from the back end and from the mobile as well. We're going to show you how to do it from the mobile after just finalizing this. Now the CRM dashboard, you can check it completely from here. This will be your sales funnel, including the full process you are doing, and it is totally customized from the settings. If you check the settings of the CRM, everything will be here just for you. Behind, relating this to the landing page you already have on your website or your social media channels to lead generation, and adding the customer directly to the CRM and creating potentials as well, and also send these notifications to the salesmen or to the sales guys, because the distribution of the sales will be done automatically just from the screen. Now we have another dashboard behind the sales process, which is the customer top invoices, the account distribution to the account managers, and the winning deals and losing deal. All of these data and dashboard is just to facilitate your work and to facilitate managing the CRM directly from the dashboard. Finally, we have here the CRM settings. You can change every single information inside the CRM. Nothing fixed here for you. Everything is used to customize and tailor the names you wish to see in your dashboard and your system as well. Now let's check the mobile application. It starts with just signing in and out. After signing, the system is going to show you what is the nearest customer to you to start your work. And you can start just checking the contacts of each and check the location, or contact them directly to WhatsApp, to call them directly from the mobile application without saving the contacts, or call them from here now, or email them directly. This will contact you directly to the email account already on your mobile to send them directly emails. Now you can facilitate the work of the sales guys. Now let's check another thing, which is the clients. Here I have the client list with the same information, and I can add a new potential for them from here. And after adding the potential, we can just follow up just from the mobile application with the same what we see on the web. But here it's easier using it from here. Just simple clicks here, you will just find that you already add everything from this with a contact and add comment. Just comment here, and then the most important thing is to add the next follow-up to book your calendar. So the system is going to remind you every day with that notification. Now we succeeded to add a new follow-up after adding the customer and adding the contacts, adding the potential. And now if we went there to the calendar, we will find today that we have this customer to follow, and this is for tomorrow calendar. So I can just check everything from my own mobile phone. So the sales is not going to do administrative work. All you need is just to download your mobile application and just follow everything from here, even the dashboard as well. Now we have the after sales here just from your mobile as well. And the final thing here is just you can add sales orders directly from here and add it the same way we added on the web. And the price list is already here, so you can select whatever the services you offer to your customer and then just click here. Now it is added to the mobile. Not only this, you can just click here and check the sales orders you already sent to your customer, and you can resend it from here. Just click on this. This will be the sales order directly to your mobile, and then you can share it with your customer directly from here. Send via WhatsApp, via email, or whatever the way you want to send your customer. Then you can check the whole sales orders you have with editing option if it is not approved as this one as well. So you can have everything in your pocket, the sales activities, just that simple, just from your mobile, even with a fingerprint to facilitate your work if you are behind your customer, to have everything settled directly from your own mobile phone. That's it. All we need is to make your life easier, facilitate the job of the sales, and then you can guarantee that your sales activities, your sales investment is not going away. It will be added directly to your system from the mobile phone. And that's it.